What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Bleach today. Haven't done Bleach in a while. So Ichigo with his hollow mask, his full hollow mask. I know there's like loads, and I don't know if they have names or what. Like I know there's all different types. This is just the full hollow mask with the two stripes coming down the center. So let's do this. I'm on landscape orientation page. I recommend pencil and eraser for this, and hit pause if I go too fast. Right, so he's got, there's this V, right? So it's pretty big, right? We're close up on the mask. It's mostly just the mask. So we got this V, just center point of my page is here, right? So along the vertical center, and then slightly below the horizontal center down here, we're going to start with this V that joins his eyes, right? So like a big V here. Right, like that. It's kind of like his nose, and this comes around for the tops of his eyes, right? This way. That way. Okay. Bottom of his eyes then. Come down from there. Bottom of the mask eyes anyway. Down like so. You do the same thing pretty much on the other side. So. Like that. And it's got an edge line on the inside, so real thin. Edge on the inside of the mask. Like that. And then his eye line, so you follow that sort of shape again. Down to there. And like another line just going back that way. Same thing here. And then down here. Iris and pupil. So just like a half circle, this golden eye of his. Just here looking up, and then a black section there. You can do the same thing on the other side. Tiny little skinny circle. Iris, same thing. Right, so what to do? Top or bottom of the mask first? Do this top line that goes around, so starts to go up around top of his head, right? The top of his mask, the mask head is about up here. It's quite big, right? And we just kind of join it down. Like so. Right. And then looks like there's a little bit of a crack in it or something here, and then like a line across the top that way. Something there. Some scratches or something like that. So then jaw. So we'll go down this way, in, and then down this way and in. Right, and then we got teeth that come along here. So this V is where the teeth kind of start and come out to there. So the first two teeth come out, up, out. See from that V, and then we travel out from here. So let's just go for it. Right, like that, and then we do the same thing going across the other side. Like that. And then we got a bottom row of teeth, right? So starting again from the middle, right? So this comes right down, 2 spikes here, and 2 teeth, and they go up underneath. Now I've seen it drawn where the lines don't go completely up underneath, but I think they should, so I'm just gonna go directly. Like they stop like here in one drawing. But I think they should go the whole way. And they get kind of smaller as we go up here, and they end there. And we just keep going. And then his bottom jaw and chin. So comes around, real sort of pointy, gnarly chin. So it comes around here. Into there and up. And then, so depending on what hollow mask you want to do, right, that's the general shape. And then he has all these different patterns. There's like one side is colored on one of them, 2 lines. I'll do the 2-lined one because it's more straightforward. He's got like some cheek lines here. And then we'll do the 2 lines that come down his face just here, curving down. And then the other side here. And then over here, it's kind of like a wavy line. There. And then they come down his cheek. Here. Here. And then here. Okay, so then we got like all hair spikes and stuff coming in behind his head. So starting with some small ones here. On the side of his head. Like that. And then we go. Start to go up this way. Change direction here, so one goes up that way, next one go all off this way. And sometimes there can be some texture come down or not. So, okay. What else? So, his Shinigami uniform. So the collar of it just comes down past his chin. It's got a white edge to it here. Then we got some anatomy inside here. So we got his collarbones go off this way, real close to his chin now because his head is real low down. Oh man, my voice is going. Neckline there. Like collarbone lines that way. And then just like his shoulders, so they're real high up because he's all hunched over. And how high up to go with the shoulders? It's like face width, right? So the width of the mask or his face, that width will bring it to the edge of the shoulder. That's what I normally go for anyway. And we have just his lines on his shoulder here. Down. There. There. Okay, but I think that'll do. That's how to draw Ichigo with his full Holllow mask. Hope it was helpful, guys. Hope it was helpful. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. If there's a request you really need me to do, remember I have a Patreon. So you just like send me, it's like $1 and you can message me. Okay? Or more. And it's a good way to support the channel as well. Helps me buy markers. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.